Good morning, YouTube family. It's your boy DJ, and I am back for another YouTube vlog. So, y'all, we are having another travel vlog. I am heading to Orlando, Florida for my family reunion. But first, I have to get ready. Yesterday, I went to get my feet done. I'm going to insert that clip. Today, I'm going to head to Dunkin' Donuts to give me some coffee. And then I'm going to go get my brows done because they need to be done. And I am going to get my haircut tomorrow, and then my flight is tomorrow night. So we're gonna be leaving and heading to Orlando. So go ahead and like, comment below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and enjoy the vlog. Heading into Nails and Spa to get my mani and pedi. Do y'all have the pink Moscato?
No, I know wine.
Wine?
Wine.
Okay, that's fine. The sweet red wine is fine.
Cứ nói chuyện bình thường vậy thôi, không có phải là.
So I made it home. Here's my toes. So tomorrow I got a eyebrow appointment. So I'm gonna show y'all that. So YouTube, I got my iced coffee for the day. Y'all, I love iced coffee. Like, iced coffee in the morning is so good. So I normally get caramel mocha with cream and sugar. Add liquid sugar because I like it extra sweet. So that's what I be getting. So y'all, let me give y'all an update because I haven't really talked to y'all in a minute. So my camera broke in Houston. So that's why I've been vlogging on my phone. So I'm working on getting another lens for y'all. But until then, y'all are getting vlogs on my phone. And we just got to my brow appointment. So we're gonna walk in here and get the brows done. Get them slayed for the trip. All right, y'all, come in here with me. So y'all know this is where I get my brows done at Dacia Salon and Spa. If you don't know, now you know. Every Dacia always slay my brows. Slay. Morning, YouTube family. So today is Thursday, the day I fly to Orlando, Florida. But first, I had to get my hair cut. This morning, I woke up because I have a doctor's annual checkup. Y'all know I take my health very important, especially being a black gay man in America. So I'm finna get my annual checkup, and then I'm getting my hair cut later on, and then I'm packing and I'm heading to Orlando. All right, vlog, continue to watch. This is my doctor's office, but y'all already seen it before, especially if you've been watching my vlog. All right, y'all, this is my doctor's office again, for those who are new here. So, y'all, I'm gonna get checked out. Then I'm going to get a haircut later on. Y'all, look at what's going on at my house. They are digging up a big old hole because I've been having plumbing issues in my house. So, literally, there's a freaking big hole in my ground. This is wild. Thank God I'm going out of town so I can deal with this. When I get back, hopefully it'll be done. So I'll let y'all see the update when I get back home. So we made it to Orlando. The shuttle and to the bags. And then we are heading to my Airbnb. I'm in Orlando. We're here. We have made it to the Orlando crib. This is the Airbnb. I'm going ahead and vlogging now because this is probably the cleanest it's gonna be because my whole family's here. And then tomorrow y'all see the outside as well. So we just got upstairs to my room. They have our pictures on the doors for each room. It's my cousin right here. But this is the room in Orlando. Y'all know I stay in nice places. Like it's a must everywhere I go. It has to be a nice place, and we got our own bathroom here. That's lit. Dang. Look how big this shower is. So this is what the house looks like when you come up the stairs. You can play games on here. This is the, I think, entertainment room. They got a big washer and dryer room. But I'll show y'all more of the house later. So YouTube, we done made it to IHOP because we're starving. It's 4 in the morning. They're open 24 hours.
What's up, y'all?
Go ahead, Rashawn. Talk.
Okay, y'all. Now we're at IHOP. Been here for about 30 minutes. Got our food. Appreciate it.
Alright, YouTube, so I'm gonna give you guys a house tour of the Airbnb in Orlando. I'm not gonna go in everybody's room. I filmed some people's room, but this is my granny's room, and I love how they got the little pictures for everybody in the family. I think this might be a bathroom. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Actually, I'm gonna go in here. My granny got a big bathroom. This is my granny's room. Okay. The kitchen area. It's really nice. With the island. Big long family table. It's here. I think that's the pantry in there. Cute little picture. Living area. The TV. I think these are more rooms down here. I'm not even gonna go down there. I think my mom's and dad's room is in here. So yeah, I'll go down here. This is their room. It's really nice. And they got a big bathroom too. Huge. I'm not sure what this room is. I'm not going in that room. Okay, so now we are heading to the outside living area. Let's see if I can go out here. Oh, it's nice. It's hot out here in Orlando. Oh, look at this outside. This is so nice. I'm definitely getting Instagram pictures out here. Cool. So this is the house that we're staying in until Monday. I'm loving it here. All right, and that's the house. And you've seen the upstairs that I'm gonna insert. Where's that? So we just got to this restaurant. Ain't nobody here because it's at the resort. So we're gonna eat. Looks nice in here. So this is the resort. So nice. The pools are closed right now because it's about to rain. Look at the clouds. But I'm gonna come swimming here when it gets done raining. It's so nice. So now I'm gonna eat at this restaurant until it gets done. So I almost forgot to show y'all my little appetizer before dinner tonight. But this is what I ordered, tacos. This is buffalo dip. So my brother got buffalo dip. I just wanted a little hotness to it. It didn't look like this so far, but it make it look good. Kind of looks appealing. I don't really care for these onion rings, so I'm gonna send them back and get some fries. Because I asked him which are better, the fries or onion rings. He said onion rings, but they're not crunchy like I like them. So I'm gonna ask him if he can just give me some fries. What's up, YouTube? So we're heading out to a nightclub called the Beach. So we're finna go in here and see what it's talking about. See if it's lit, see if it's turned. So I'm gonna bring y'all in here with me. So get ready to turn up in Orlando, Florida.
That's what we're talking about. We're going international Friday night. Shout out my brother Guy. Happy birthday, my brother.
September 2nd, 40th birthday bash. Hosted by Key Richie.
Oh, this whole bottle of Patron was just sitting at the bar. So guess what? I took it. So yeah. YouTube family, so it's day 2 of our family vacation. So last night was lit at the club. I'm telling you, like, everybody was outside in Orlando. Like, we had a great time up in the club last night. Somebody left their bottle just sitting on the counter, so I took it and ran with it and was drinking that bitch. So yeah, I had a great time. So now we finna get breakfast because I need to, you know, get my electrolytes and get some vitamins and get, you know, feeling better so I can turn up tonight. All right, y'all, let's finish. This is breakfast. I think got toast over there too. What's up, YouTube? I am dressed. So I'm wearing this velvet, my brother. This Batman fit. We made it to what's a Wild Florida Safari. We're gonna see these animals. It's gonna be a fun experience. I never done this at Safari Park. And then tonight we're getting dressed up, going out again. And you know, dressed to impress.
Hold on.
Oh, these are wild animals. Look at them in the water.
So what race?
Look at them, what is that, ostrich or whatever? They're used to the rain. What is that,
Here's the
like a little commercial?
scavenger hunt. They got so many animals. Wild animals. All these animals. That thing is big.
I got it.
That looks like the one that used to live next door to us, y'all.
Look at this hog, y'all.
See what you got to do.
Get it right time.
What are those? I think those are llamas. Yeah, those are.
So black and white under there. Oh, that's pretty. They're called the Highland Cow. Like, see how big they are? That's about it. You know my store. Oh, yeah. It's more than Grover.
There goes the zebra. It's eating. So pretty.
Zebras and horses are one of my favorite animals, as well as tigers.
I'm just staying there. Over there with the other zebras over there.
Okay, y'all won't take me.
There you go.
Yeah, I am.
Safe.
Now, Grace Shop, swoop up, I'm gonna get them all. Get them big. Look at them corn.
Jesus.
Not
yet. We about to. Where y'all at? Oh, okay, y'all made it.
I'm gonna go get a cold this year.
Alright, you got to it?
I will.
Keep going up. Keep going up.
You got the info.
Heading to the club. So, we made it to this restaurant, The Lickin'. There's the 3 flavors that I got. Finger licking, lemon pepper, I think hot pasta, with some more stuff, the fam. It's the restaurant. It's really nice.
TJ Wing got some brand new help. I know I had to find hoes mad at me, but you can't turn a bitch over out, baby. Now I got a like shit on the link with her bestie and turn up.
What's up, YouTube? I'm heading back to Nashville. It is Monday. Orlando was cool with the family. We had a good time. This was a short vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go ahead and like, comment below, and subscribe to my channel now. And until next time, I'll see you guys.